Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to update apps on your iPhone. Keeping your apps updated is essential for accessing the latest features and ensuring your device runs smoothly. So let's dive right in. Step 1, open the App Store. First, locate and open the App Store on your iPhone. You will recognize it by its blue icon with a white A made from a pencil, brush, and ruler. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account details. Step 3. Scroll down until you see the upcoming automatic updates section. Here you'll find a list of apps that need updating. Step 4. Update apps. You can either tap Update All to update all apps at once, or choose individual apps by tapping the Update button next to each one. Keep in mind that updating all apps may take some time and could use a lot of data if you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Step 5. Enter your Apple ID password. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID Touch ID to authorize the updates. Tips for updating apps. Here are some quick tips. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data. Keep your iPhone charged or plugged in during updates. Regularly check for updates or enable automatic updates in settings at App Store. Now let's answer some frequently asked questions. 1. What if I can't find the update button? If there's no update button, your apps are likely already updated or you have automatic updates turned on. 2. Can I update apps without Wi-Fi? Yes, but it's best to use Wi-Fi to avoid using your mobile data plan. 3. How often should I check for app updates? It's a good idea to check weekly, but automatic updates can handle this for you. 4. What does updating apps do? Updating apps provides you with the latest features, bug fixes, and security updates. Conclusion. Updating your apps is a simple yet important task that enhances your iPhone experience. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your apps are always up to date with the latest features and security measures. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.